Hello guys, good day to you wherever you're watching from. My name is Oluwase Padre. So this is today's the 5th of October 2024, and we're here to review part of our strategy, the scrapping report, which is more of an improved version of the previous one that we've been having. So I'm here to explain to you how the system works. The purpose of this is to help us to predict the direction of the market so that we can be able to take correct and accurate actions as much as possible. So I'll be sharing my screen with you. To be able to see and follow the information on the position. So here is a template that um, I have been able to create um, this template. So, sorry, just a minute. So I've actually been able to create this template, and the idea of the template is to help us to be able to determine the direction of the market as quickly as possible. So based on the information of the template, it's going to help us to determine the direction of the market, and that will also help us to be able to know what action to take, whether to buy or to sell. So that's the purpose of the template. Um, So that's the purpose of the template. So as we watch this template, we'll be able to see. So we'll be inputting figures on it. So as we input the figures, it's going to help us to determine what action to take, whether to buy or to sell. So here you can see on the left side of this sheet, you can see datas here. And on the right side here, you can see the decisions, okay? So these decisions are based on the updates of these updates, which are the information that are here. So based on this information updates, as the information is being updated, it's going to inform us of the decisions that is going to take place here. And also based on the adjustment of the prices that will make here. Okay. So currently, I'm already in the progress already. So in order to be able to not, to reduce the time on this. So here, for example, now, so I think I'm on, let me see, S&P 500. Okay. Yep. So we're on S&P 500. Okay. So this is S&P 500. So this is S&P 500. Okay. So it's going to be taking action based on the prices that we set here, and that will determine the action to take. So although these prices were supposed to be adjusted over time, but we are going to input the prices based on what has happened in the past and then the current for the sake of the future. So as you can see here today, like I said, today is the 6th, today is 6th of October, 5th of October. So we are going to see based on what is going to happen for the rest of October, and as much as the updates will be done continuously. Okay. So previously in this early this month, so we have three positions already for S&P 500. We have 5781, 5677, and 5767. So 5781. So when the price was 5781, what was the 5781. You can see that the market is showing us to sell at 5781. What is it telling us at 5677? So at 5677, you can see that it's telling us 575677. Can see that it's telling us to buy on 5767. Can see it's telling us again to sell. So currently now this is the last update, 5767. So this is the last update, and the last update is telling us to sell for now. Okay, so that is S&P 500. And the next product is silver. So silver too, as we have 4 updates on silver. So the first update is 31.6. So 31.6 was the decision then. At 31.6, you can see we have buy initially, okay, and then buy. So at 31.6.5 is 31.6 is buy, 32.8. You can see it's a sell all through. Then 31, 30.88. You can see as well, it's a buy. And then the last update is 33. So you can see now, based on the last update, we are on the sell journey. Okay. So the next product is USD CHF. So that one has 3 moves, 0.852, 0.84, and 0.861. So at point, so here, so at 0.852, let's see the movement of the market. You can see at 0.852, it's been a sell, but gradually getting back to a buy. At 0.84, you can see at 0.84, we have more of buys. So it's a buy at 0.84, and currently we have at 0.861. So based on the current last update, you can see that is a sell. So we are now on the trend of a sell move. So the next is USD JPY. So for USD JPY, we have 4 moves. Okay. So the first move is 142.8. So at 142.8, USD JPY at 142.8, you can see it's been a buy more. So at 146.5, you can see that it was a sell and now trying to move back to a buy. So the third move was 141.6 and currently at 149.1. So at 141.6, you can see that it's a buy all through. But now at 149.1, you can see it's a sell all through. So what that means now is that based on the current price, our market is moving towards a sell. So we should start planning for a sell currently. So the next product is AUD card. Okay. So for AUD card as well, we have 3 moves. Okay. 0.919, 0.938, and now 0.921. Okay. So At 0.919, what is it telling us? 0.919. You can see that the market is a buy. 0.938, consider it a sell. And 0.922, what's the market telling us? So the market is telling us more of buy at 0.922. Can you see? So our last position is telling us to buy. So for now, we are getting ready to buy on AUD card, okay, based on the last price of 0.922 or 0.921. So the next product is card JPY. We have 4 moves. So the first move is 106.4, 106.4, card JPY. So at 106.4, you can see that it's telling us currently that is a buy. At 108.6, so at 108.6, you can see that it's a sell more. At 104.6, you'll see then that it was a buy. And now the current price is 109.8. Yeah, so you can see that at 109.8, we are ready for a sell. Okay, so the market will adjust itself now, and we expect the market to sell all the way down. Okay, so the next product is EuroCard. So for EuroCard, we have 4 moves so far. So the first one is 1.499, 1.516. So at 1.499, you can see that we have initially a buy, but more we sell. At 1.516, you can see that it was a sell all through. At the third move was 1.487, 1.487. You can see that it's a buy, and currently it's 1.497, even though it's not really more. But let's see. So at 1.497, the market is still a buy. Okay. So currently at 1.497. Yeah, so at 1.497, we can see that the market is now turning to a sell position. Okay. So the next product is GBP card. We have 3 moves, 1.795, 1.815. So at 1.795, 1.795, you can see we have initial buy and then currently sell. At 1.815, you can see we have sell all the way from 1.815. Now the market is at 1.771. So you can see now that at 1.771, the market is currently on a buy trend. Okay. So for USD card, we have just two moves, 1.341 and 1.36. So let's see what happens. So at 1.341, can see that is a buy all the way. And now we have at 1.36. You can see it has changed to a sell. So we are now planning for a sell trend for the next move. New Zealand card, we have three moves, 0.842, 0.862, and 0.834. So at 0.842, you can see at 0.842 is more of a buy, but now planning for a sell. At 0.862, you can see that it's a sell all the way. And currently at 0.834, you can see it's trading back to a buy. Okay. So the next product is CHF So CHF we have four moves. So the first move is 169.4, 169.4. You can see it's a buy currently. Then at 172.6, that's the second move. You can see that it's a sell currently. At 168.3, which is the third move. You can see that is a buy currently. And then finally, the last move now, which is the current move is 173.5. So according to the last move, we are now on a sell trend. Okay. So each move is going to adjust the previous information to see what they are to the current price. So once we put in the current price, it's going to tell us how the past performance is related to the current price. So as we adjust the current price, it's going to tell us the decision of the market, whether the market is buying or whether the market is selling according to that current price. And also we'll be able to see it in relation to what has happened in the past, whether the market is moving towards the buy or whether the market is moving towards a sell. Okay. So the last product here is GBP AUD. So for GBP AUD, so far we have three moves. So the first move is 1.953, 1.953. So at 1.953, the market is telling us to sell. Okay. At 1.9, I think it's 1.912, 1.921. I'll recheck again. Okay, 1.912. You can see that at 1.912, the market is telling us to buy. And currently, the last update is at 1.932. 932. So at 1.932, you can see that the market is telling us to sell. So we've had the buy at the beginning, but based on the current update of 1.932, the market is telling us to sell. Okay, so that's the position for now. So having reviewed all these are the decisions. So we're going to be following the last lines of the decision to know what the market is telling us and also relate it with the past. So today, as you can see, today is the 5th of October. Okay, so according to today, the 5th of October, the report is telling us GPUD to sell. So let me call the decisions out for you. So GPUD to sell, CHF GPY to sell, New Zealand card to buy, USD card to sell, GBP card to buy, Euro card to sell, card JPY to sell, AUD card to buy, USD JPY to sell, USD CHF to sell, silver to sell, S&P 500 to sell, New Zealand USD to buy, Nasdaq to sell, gold currently to buy, although gold price is in two ways, 2635 or 2371. Okay, so at 2371, Fancy is telling us to sell. So 2371 is better. GBP USD, it's a buy. GBP JPY is a sell. FTSE is a sell. Euro USD is a buy. Euro JPY is a sell. Euro GBP is a buy. GPUD is a sell. DAX is a buy. Crude oil is a sell. AUD USD is a buy and AUD JPY is a sell. So these are based on the last update of information which is obtained from these reports. Okay, so once we have this report, each of those red or the green line is what is going to determine the prices that we are going to input into that column. Okay, so once we have the price, then we are going to input the price in this column, as you can see here. So for each product like AUD JPY here, this is where we are going to input the price. For AUD USD, this is where we are going to input the price. So the price is inputted here. So, and based on those inputs, is now telling us the decision of the market as the market progresses. Also here, in some cases, you can see that it has decisions here. So for example, AUD JPY here is telling us to sell. DAX here is telling us to sell. Euro AUD here is telling us to buy. So that's also based on some conditions of some prices and a different logic as well. Okay, so it tells us, so this is also another predictor that helps us to identify the market movement and the market direction on this column. Okay, so it helps us to also give us an idea of what action to take. So these information are very vital in helping us to determine the direction of the market at different times. So even though it might not be the same with the others, but it also helps to complement them. So for example, you can see here, we have a buy here, but lastly, the last move here is a sell. So in that instance, we might just be precaution by taking a sell, but just be precautious about it. But in this one that here we have sell, here we have sell, then we go all the way out for more actions. Okay, here you can see here we have buy, we have buy. So here it gives us additional information to take the action. So you can see here CAD JPY we have sell here. More decision here. USD JPY we have sell here. Silver and gold, silver and S&P, you can see we have sell on the left, we have sell on the right, so which gives us more information as well. Again, look at here again, Nasdaq, gold, we have sell on the left, we have sell on the right. GBP USD, we have buy on the left, we have buy on the right. GBP JPY, we have sell on the left, we have sell on the right. Okay, so anytime we have both sides giving us the same information, Euro USD, we have buy on the left, we have buy on the right. So it gives us more decision, more confirmation of the decision and more accuracy in our decision. Okay, so that is it for today, the month of October. So hopefully we'll be able to see and continue again in our series and use this information effectively for the rest of the month of October. Okay, so like I said, today is the 4th of October, is the 6th of October. So hopefully by next week or by the end of the month, we are coming back to this to be able to review and test the decisions based on the price positions as the market goes or on at the end of every week. Thank you very much. I remain. It's a pleasure having you around. So if you want to learn more about this template or more about our strategies on trading, you can reach out on fadinvest@yahoo.ie, fadinvest@yahoo.ie. My name is Oluwase Farari. It's nice having you around, and hopefully we'll be able to see you more in our other series as we present our best information and decisions and actions and templates that will help us to be able to make profitable trading in Forex. Thank you very much. Have a great month of October ahead. Cheers. Bye.